Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Zero Gravity Beer Pouring. We're doing it inside the new tent. Today's episode is a Oh Under West Coast style IPA with Aussie and New Zealand hops. It's a collaborative between Alesmith and Alvarado Street Brewing. This is the new Coleman Tenaya Lake Fast Pitch 6-person tent we got a few days ago. I'm still testing it out in the yard. So far, I like it. This is the old zero gravity chair I haven't used lately, at least doing beer pouring. Let's see. Serving temp, blah blah blah, origin, glassware. We don't need no stinking advice. These California beers have gone down under. We partnered up with our buddies from Alvarado Street Brewery to make this bright and dry West Coast style IPA featuring an exorbitant amount of Galaxy, Vic Secret, and Nelson hops. When two blended beloved California breweries draw inspiration from Australian and New Zealand hops, you know this collaboration has to be oh so under. And I was really just looking for the 7% ABV. It's a very tropical, with a hint of citrus aroma. La 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 la. It's a very pale yellow. Quite a head. Smells really good. For the benefit of those of you with flash photography, you're welcome. Quite a head of foam, quite a bit of effervescence, a little bit of viscosity. Still getting that tropical melon, just a hint of something citrus. Crisp, dry. Melons, tropical fruit. It's very dry and bitter. So it's IBUs is going to be up there. Being West Coast style, they like to beat you over the head with the bitterness. Pretty much matches the aroma. The bitterness does kind of overpower any other flavors. It can't overpower the dry, crisp mouthfeel. It's not bad. It's crisp. It's dry. It's an IPA. It's bitter. On a scale of 1 to 5, right now, 3.25, 3.5. May raise it a little once the bitterness, once it begins to warm and mellow out a little bit. Give it a chance to breathe, like a fine wine. Yeah, that's my opinion. So, that's what we've got for today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. in a great apocalypse. Oh, and cheers!